Hi, my name is JP Correjo, and I'll be doing Lou Gehrig's farewell speech to baseball. Fans, for the past 2 weeks you have been reading about a bad break I got. Yet today I consider myself the luckiest man on the earth. I've been at ballparks for 17 years and received anything but kindness and encouragement from you fans. Look at these grand men, and which one of you wouldn't consider it to be a highlight of his career just to associate with them for one day? Sure, I'm lucky. Who wouldn't consider it an honor to have known Jacob Rupert, also the builder of baseball's greatest empire, Ed Barrow, to have spent 6 years with the wonderful little fellow Miller Huggins, then to have spent 9 years with that outstanding leader, that smart student of psychology, the best manager in baseball today, Joe McCarthy. Sure, I'm lucky. When the New York Giants, a team you have given your right arm to beat, and vice versa, sends you a gift, that's something. When everybody down to the groundskeepers and those boys in the white coats remember you with trophies, that's something. You have a wonderful mother-in-law who takes side with you and squabbles with their own daughter, that's something. When you have a father and a mother who work all their lives so you have an education and build your body, that's something. When you have a wife who's been a tower of your own strength and shown more encouragement than you dreamed, that's something. So I close in saying that I might have been given a bad break, but I've got an awful lot to live for.